Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is MRC, and this evening I have the UMX Conscendo with lights. The sun has just set and we have pretty bright moon. On the other side I think it's almost a full moon, if not full. So I hope I'll get a nice flight and a good video for you this evening. It's a bit breezy, but nothing too bad, and I know this can handle it. Let's go. Okay, here she goes. It's actually not that bright now. It's not completely dark. And this is one instance where white lights might have helped a bit more. Ooh, man. It's hard to see it unless I'm looking at the bottom. Let's try it on the other side. For now, let's cross over to the moon side. Oh yeah, there's definitely a difference. And I can see it better. Hope you guys can as well. See now, this is one of those cases where, unlike other planes, I can say I should have waited until it was a bit darker. There's also a star or a planet there. I just passed under it now. And this thing is so cool to fly. It can be so relaxing. And again, I hope you can see it. I was a bit high with the plane, not myself. Maybe if I keep it against the trees, I think it's more visible. At least for me. The camera might show things, the sky especially, a bit brighter. Okay, let's try again on the other side. Okay, because if I go to the right, it's already darker. There's city lights. Ooh, man, it disappears. I mean, I can still see it, but it's hard to tell the orientation. Okay, let me cross back to the moon side again. Have 2 minutes of throttle use. Now it's just gliding. Let's try and do some low passes. I'm really starting to question if I should have chosen other colors, white or, oh man, it disappears. Ooh. Okay, I need to gain some altitude because I wasn't seeing it. Yeah, so probably if it's not pitch black, White is best LED color for night flying. Lesson learned. And as a matter of fact, I can always change these out. It's not a biggie. Just need to resolder some wires. And I was also tempted to do green because it has green decals. Might have looked nice, but I don't know why I bought 4 rolls of LEDs, white, blue, red, and green. They're really cheap, by the way. Less than $10 for 5 meters. And yeah, I just settled on blue. Thought it would look cool. And indeed, when it's completely dark, it's fine. I had no problem seeing it. Man, look at that moon. It's getting darker and darker. Ooh. Still a bit hard to see. But it's all good fun. Wish I could fly it a bit closer to me, but it would have to be darker for that. And there's a fast pass. It was full throttle, but since it's not that close to me, it doesn't seem that fast. Plus it's so quiet. Let's try it again. Okay, I have 1 minute left, and I think the battery might not like as full speed passes. Some more rolls. Ooh, man, it gets confusing. Lucky there's safe to save the day. And the loop. 2 loops. Okay, let's get ready for a landing because the timer's running out. Battery's running low, and I got a car coming, so better cross the street to get on the other side. Oh, it seems a lot more visible now, and it just doesn't want to come down. It's just floating there. Let's try some spoiler-ons. Okay, that kills the lift. Just a bit. Okay, come on, car, pass. Oh, I have to do one more fast pass. Whew, beautiful. Love that. Okay, let's see if I can catch it. Hope it'll be a decent video, guys. These things aren't easy to film. And even with lights, I have a bit of wind, so... Nah. That didn't work. Oh well. It's a tough little bird. I lost the canopy. It's down here. Whew, so there it is, guys. The UMX Night Conscendo. If you want to make your own, check my videos for the how-to. It's not complicated. And I also have videos of adding lights to other planes, UMX. Whew. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video, leave some great comments, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.